everyone and welcome to TeachTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password in Debian Linux subsystem. We are here at the normal user login. Let's try to log in to the root by giving the command sudo su. Now you have to enter the password for root account. Now the problem is that I have forgot the password for root. Therefore, I cannot log in into the root account. So, how to reset the password? Let's look at it. To reset the password, first of all, we have to change the default user from the normal user from the command line of Windows. Go to Start and type cmd. Do right click and click on Run as Administrator. Now let's type the command debian space config space minus minus default minus user space root. Now doing this will change the default user from the normal user into root. Now again start the Debian. You can see that the default user has been changed into the root. Now to change the password, you can give the command passwd space the username. In this case, my username is Puranjan. So I'm going to give the name as Puranjan. Give enter. Now you have to type the new Unix password for this account. Retype the password. So your password has been updated and reset successfully. Now after the password is updated successfully, a login is required for the user to access its account. For that, give the command login space your username. Give the new password. So your password has been updated successfully. Now every time if I close and restart the Debian program, I will get the root user. If I want the default user to be as Puranjan, you can go to cmd once again, give the same command like before, but replace the root with the username. Hit enter. Now again, when you start the Debian program, you will see that the default user is Puranjan and the password has been updated successfully. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. We will see you on the next video.